With the 2018 BMW X1, which has surprisingly good road manners for the class, BMW provides some solace. It has received a few complaints, 42 to be exact, and there have been 4 recalls. Although most owners have complained about the manufacturer's inability to resolve recall-related problems, its predicted reliability costs are also low. The Mercedes-Benz GLA class, the Audi Q3, and the Volvo XC40 are the car's most popular competitors. In this video, I will tell you how the 2018 BMW X1 issues have affected its owners. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Electrical system problems. Before the AC was turned on, one owner reported that the car's AC vents were emitting a foul smell. Once the AC begins to operate, the smell disappears. This might be harmful to your health. This problem is extremely rare, but some cars have experienced electrical problems that caused a fire and total vehicle destruction. There have been a few complaints that the heater blower stopped working, preventing the cabin from being heated in cold weather. Mechanical problems. A few owners have complained that the air filter is not properly sealed. This may result in catastrophic failure by allowing dust to enter the engine. However, the engine of the BMW F48 is dependable, and this issue is rare. Miscellaneous problems. The rear liftgate has also failed to close properly for a number of owners. Dealers have determined that in order to resolve the BMW X1 tailgate issue, the key fob needs to be reprogrammed. The fact that several owners have received recall notices but the manufacturer has not supplied the parts needed to carry out the recall is one of the most serious BMW X1 flaws. The vertical trim piece, which increases the possibility of injuries to passengers in the backseat, is largely to blame for this. Another issue raised by an owner was that on sunny days, the sun visors were too short to block the sun from the driver's eyes. Safety problems. There have been numerous reports of sunroof explosions inside vehicles, raising issues with safety. In a few complaints, it was claimed that the airbags did not deploy even after the car's occupants suffered injuries and the SUV was deemed a total loss. Recalls. There are 4 recalls concerning 2018 BMW X1, including steering gear tire rod can break, occupant injury in the event of an accident because the B-pillar of the car may not absorb an adequate amount of impact, taillights detaching cannot provide the car following any signal and can create a road hazard, and crankshaft sensor firmware can cause a stall. Should you buy? The BMW X1 is a fantastic vehicle that offers a gateway into the BMW universe. It rewards you with an attractive appearance, first-rate interiors, and adequate space. Serious problems, like those affecting the BMW X1 timing chain recall-involved vehicles, have not affected this year. Although the company reports 4 recalls, many customers are dissatisfied with how long it took to resolve some issues. However, all vehicles today are trouble-free, so I could suggest this one.